Actually, what are the twin cyclones? Twin cyclones are two synchronous cyclones that originate along the same longitude but move in the opposite direction by mimic. Like a mirror image, the cyclone moving northwards in the northern hemisphere spins counterclockwise, while the one moving southward in the southern hemisphere spins in the clockwise directions. Rossby waves, also known as the planetary waves, are huge, undulating movements of the ocean that stretch horizontally across the planet for hundreds of kilometers in the westward directions. They are formed as a result of the rotation of the planet. The system of Rossby waves has a vortex in both northern and southern hemisphere, and each of these mirror image of the other. North spin counterclockwise has a positive spin, while the one is the southern hemisphere clockwise directions and therefore has negative spin. Both have a positive value of the vorticity. Rotation Madden-Julian oscillations, rainfall winds, and the pressure that traverses the same longitude but move in the opposite directions. Twin cyclones moving northwards in the northern hemisphere spins counterclockwise, while the one moving southward in the southern hemisphere the clockwise direction. Rossby waves, the Madden-Julian. Highlighting the importance of ice sheet, discuss the actually highlighting the importance of the ice sheet, discuss the likely impact of their melting on the planet. An ice sheet is a mass of glacial land ice extending more than 50,000 square kilometers. During the last glacial period, much of the earth was covered by the ice sheet. However, today there are only two ice sheets in the world: the Antarctic ice sheet and Greenland ice sheet. Reservoir of the freshwater. The Antarctic crystalline ice sheet contains more than 99% of the freshwater ice on Earth. Influence the weather. 50,000 square kilometers, around 9,000 square miles. Last glacial period, how much Earth was covered by ice sheet? Only two ice sheets in the world: Antarctic ice sheet and Greenland ice sheet. Influence of the weather and climate. The Greenland Antarctic ice sheet influence weather and climate. Large high altitude plate on the ice caps and create cold downslope points. Repository. Ice sheets are made of layers of snow and ice. They are collected over millions of years. Those layers contain trapped gases. Maintain Earth's energy balance. Ice sheet plays an important role in the global energy balance, reflecting about 60 to 90% of the solar radiations. Scientists from around the world are concerned, causing glacier, ice caps, and ice sheets to melt. Greenland and West Antarctica are shedding at least 6 times more ice today. Submergence of coastal regions. Melting ice sheet in Greenland and Antarctic could ultimately lead to sea levels rise. Submergence of small island nations and coastal areas like Mumbai, Visakhapatnam. Coastal erosion and flooding. Sea level rise from the melting exacerbate coastal erosion. It will also increase inland flooding. Salty ocean water change.